What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And first and foremost, I want to thank you guys so much for all the support. You guys are truly amazing. All right, shout out to the Discord. Y'all are killing it. All right, a lot of you guys went ahead and just got the lifetime since there was a huge sale going on, and it's actually still going on. I believe there's only 3 hours left, so definitely go ahead and check that out. The link in the description. All right, there's a ton of feedback on this already in the Discord chat and also on TradingView as well. So I want to show you guys that as well. But basically, man, you guys have to get this indicator tested out. There's a lot of positive feedback, and people are going to be back testing all week to figure out exactly how they're going to use this, because like I said, it's going to work for every specific trader, no matter who you are. All right. As far as, like, just giving you an extra added confirmation. It doesn't matter if you're a rookie or an expert. So that's what's dope about it. And then, for me, I'm a support and resistance trader, so that's built in, and as well as auto Fibonacci, which I know a lot of you guys kill it with that. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the computer real quick. All right, and stay until the end, because I'm actually gonna, pick a lucky person to just go ahead and give them 1 month free. All right, and if you were a person who purchased it, then you can just choose somebody to give it to, a friend, a loved one, or whatever. All right, so that's my way of blessing you guys. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway every single video almost. So just definitely subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. All right, and as well as get the indicator. All right, so let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer. All right, let's see here. Boom. All right, so yes, as you guys can see here, I am live on tradingview.com. all right, where you can go ahead and get your free account as well. All right, we have the currency strength indicator, which I will go over in another video, the doji scalper, all right, and the oscillator, which is a 9-in-1 built in. All right, and then the trusted signals buy and sell alerts. Okay, now as you guys can see here, we're getting a lot of positive feedback off of the people who just started using it. All right, it's only been available for 1 day, and it's already, like, I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, a lot of you guys are loving it, and it's pretty good. So as you guys can see here, wow, all I can say is trusted signals is super user friendly. It's looking good. Congratulations. All right, and for me, I want you guys to just be more profitable more than anything. All right, so of course, anything that I can provide to and bring some value to you guys, of course I'm gonna go ahead and promote it. All right, and this is something that is just gonna help you no matter what type of trader you are. All right, and yeah, so let's go ahead and actually look at the chart. All right, this is what the signal indicator looks like. All right, as you guys know, I am a scalper. All right, and one thing that I want to go ahead and make it clear, guys. All right, you're not supposed to take every single signal that's given. All right, and even as a rookie trader, you're gonna want to go ahead and take every single trade. Now, what I like to do in these specific instances, okay, is I like to go ahead and get into profit and then move my stop to break even. Okay, so I always do that. All right, and if you go ahead and join the Discord down below, I always show my kind of philosophy and setups. Okay, so as soon as I'm 10 pips in profit, all right, or a little bit more depending on what type of market and how it's moving, boom, I move my stop loss to break even. All right, because guess what, if it hits my break even, no harm, no foul. You know what I mean? So of course, I'm gonna be able to go ahead and truly stack up my account, because I'm limiting the times that I'm gonna lose. All right, and then another thing that I like to do is I use trailing stops. Okay, guys, so for example, once I get into profit, I move my stop and it just follows. Okay, so right now, if I was in on this one, all right, I would end up moving my stop, all right, in a little bit to break even. Okay, and once it gets out a little bit further, I would go ahead and keep on edging it up and up and up. All right, that's how I limit my losses and continue to win. Okay, guys, and guess what, if it hits your stop, boom, you're out. Okay, look for the next setup, look for the next signal, and jump in, and then boom. Okay, now another thing is that use proper risk management. All right, you're not supposed to use these things without proper risk management. If you guys are gonna go ahead and use this, definitely just use proper risk management, and I promise you, you guys will become profitable. Okay, because as you guys can see here, this thing is gonna catch the moves. Okay, now there is going to be sometimes, where you get in a little bit late. There's going to be a little bit of drawdown. Okay, remember, you can always move your stop loss and just keep it, keep a tight stop loss. There's no harm in that. Okay, if it hits your stop loss, look for the next setup. Okay, keep the losses to a minimum. If you guys do that, you guys are going to become more profitable. I promise you. As soon as I started using trailing stop loss, that was a game changer for me. All right, so that's definitely a secret that a lot of you guys don't use, especially new traders. They jump in the market, no stop loss, no idea where they want to take profit. All right, now, like I said, another cool thing about this specific thing is, okay, is the support and resistance. All right, the support and resistance is going to give you the ability to find out, okay, we're going to go ahead and shoot off from here, and we're going to try to ride this back up to here. Okay, and then we also have a previous support. Okay, so we're going to have to break that area, and look, we're getting rejection here. So maybe if a sell signal comes out around this specific area, it might be a rejection off of here. So I'll go ahead and keep an eye on that and wait for that setup. All right, now you guys have to be patient. All right, this indicator is really built for the longer moves. Okay, this is right now that you're looking here, this is stock, and I'm on the 5-minute. I scalp on the 5-minute, 1-minute, 3-minute, depending on how the market is going and how the signals are coming in. Okay, you might look at the signals and they might be a little bit noisy on a 3-minute, but you jump to that 5-minute and it's boom, it's hitting perfect, on every single aspect and entries and stuff like that. So it's all about finding that perfect time frame at the right time. All right, so for example, you might trade US 30 at 9:30 in the morning, where it's about to start pumping and get a lot of volatility. So you might want to see what the 15-minute is looking at, so that way you can hold longer and catch these longer moves. Okay, now another thing is that I'm a scalper. Okay, so scalping is, I'm getting in here, I'm getting out here, getting in here, so I'm just taking advantage of the ups and downs of the market. Now, when you're scalping, okay, you're in and out of the market. But what I like to go ahead and do is I like to actually put my stop loss at break even. So I start out as a scalper, but potentially, depending on how far the market moves away from my break even point, then it becomes a swing trade. All right, so that is a simple philosophy that's going to go ahead and take your account to the next level, because you start out scalping, boom, boom, boom. Now you get a good entry, and all right, US 30 is at 30,000. Let me go ahead and put my break even here, and maybe it'll never hit 30,000 again. So you'll go ahead and just keep it running in profit, keep on running in profit, and that's how you turn a scalp into a swing trade. So that's what I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to go ahead and convert myself from a scalper to a swing trader. And the easiest way for me to do that is just move my stop loss to break even, get away from the charts, let it play out. If it hits my stop, boom. Okay, all right, so that's pretty cool. All right, I know that I've gone over the features. All right, what I promise to go ahead and do in my Discord as well is I go ahead and give you guys signal, not signals, so to speak, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to give you guys a lot more trade ideas from my understanding. All right, since I'm on the charts all the time. All right, now auto Fibonacci is literally ridiculous. All right, and this works pretty much on any single time frame. All right, and this is going to give you key areas, so just buy, rejection. All right, now like I said, this is coming up to this fib right here. So if you're a Fibonacci trader, all right, this is my entry fibs, this is my stop fibs. All right, and then another thing is, let's say you get in on a buy here. Okay, boom, this could be your first take profit, this can be your second take profit, this can be your third take profit, and so on and so forth. So it's all about using the tools that are given in front of you and just making the most of it. All right, guys, so I don't want to go ahead and keep this video on, but I promise you this week I'm gonna go ahead and do a lot of live trading, so definitely check that out. All right, so boom, let's go ahead and get into the giveaway. All right, and I have 48 comments. Like I said, if you are a person who already purchased the lifetime or the monthly membership, all right, what I will go ahead and do is give this to a friend or family member. All right, or you can choose somebody in the Discord, or whatever the case may be. If somebody you feel that is in need of this and you want to go ahead and help them out, go ahead and spread the blessing. All right, so boom, get your comments. Let's go ahead and load them up. All right, let's see here. Boom, number winners 1. All right, boom, Luis Del Pino. All right, Happy Thanksgiving, Chris. My favorite feature is the RSI divergence strategy. However, it looks like Trusted Signals has a ton to offer. I've been trading for over a year out of tons of different strategies and have tried virtually every signal indicator on the market. All right, and would love to go ahead and yeah. So I will go ahead and do that for you, brother. Let's go ahead and reach out to me on Instagram or through my Discord, all right, privately, and I'll go ahead and knock that out for you. All right, so I appreciate you guys once again, guys. You know, what I want you guys to do is take advantage of the sale that's going on. All right, it's not gonna be this price ever again on Monday. That sale is gonna be gone forever. All right, and if you don't take advantage, you're gonna be left out. So until the next video, peace.